Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. So, we have a new group here called the Lumineers, and their song called Brightside. This one is very easy. I like this very easy songs, and you're gonna play in the same way through the whole song here almost. So, yeah, let's start with this one. On this song, we need to set our capo here on the 3rd fret to match up the sound and to have really good and cool, easy chords to handle there. So, capo on 3rd, and let's go. First, we're gonna learn 5 different chords there. So let's start with G. So that is 3rd on the E string, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. Next will be C. So 3rd on the A string, 2nd on the D, open G, 1st B, and open E. The next chord will be D, and we're gonna play it in a different way this time, and it fits real well in this song because that is how it's played. Normally we have D like this. We don't have to go through that right now, but this D will be played up here. So what it is, it's basically you take this C chord as it is, you move it up 2 frets, same grip there, and that gives you a variation of D. So that will be 5th on the A string, 4th on the D string, open G string, 3rd B string, and open E. Sounds really great in my opinion there. So yeah, that's the D for this song. Then we have a C but with a G in the bass. So looks like this. It sounds like that. So it will be 3rd on the E string, 3rd on the A string, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. So as you see, it's basically a standard C, just with an extra note added there, 3rd on the E string, which gives you the C with this G in the bass. Alright, and the final chord will be E minor. So open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. So nice, we have a strumming pattern that will be played for this entire song here. So it will be down, down, up, down, up. So we can illustrate that with a G, that is the first chord in the song. So down, down, up, down, up will be like this. Down, down, up, down, up, down. All right, so if we go with the chord progression there, it will be G, C, D, and C. That will be the intro, and also played like most parts in this song there. So if we try to play one strumming round for each chord, G, C, D, and C, it will be like this. C, G, all right, so you're gonna play 3 rounds in the intro, and then starts the verse, and the verse will be played in the same way there, 1 strumming for each chord, and you will play that for 2 rounds. Then comes the pre-chorus and in the lyrics, and the light in your eyes alone on the freeway. So that's the lyrics there for the pre-chorus. It will be again the G to C to D to C. You play in the same way there again as in the verse and intro for 2 another rounds. Then comes the second verse, and again it's played in the same way. So 2 rounds of G, C, D, and C. And another pre-chorus, again, same way there. So we're up into, I believe, 3 there, 5, 7, 9, 11 rounds from the start to this second pre-chorus here. 11 rounds of the G, C, D, and C, same strumming pattern. All right, and then comes the first chorus. In the lyrics, I'll be your brightside, baby tonight. So from there on, we're gonna change up the chords a bit. So it's gonna start with the C with the G in the bass. And then comes the G. And then E minor. And then D. You're gonna play that for 2 rounds. So again, C, G, then the G, then the E minor, and D. You're gonna play 1 strumming round for each chord, and it will sound like this. Then we go on here to the next verse. Nothing new there, same way as the previous verses, and the same goes for the pre-chorus that comes right after. 2 rounds on this verse and 2 rounds on the pre-chorus. And then comes another chorus here. We'll play it in the same way as we just learned. 2 rounds of the C, G, G, E minor, and D. And then comes another pre-chorus right after that. And it will be only 1 round of this pre-chorus there. And this pre-chorus, it will actually be played in the same way as you play the chorus. So it will be played in the C, G, G, E minor, and D. So this pre-chorus here, in the lyrics, it is, you're stranded on the bridge, you're crying for your kids. So I believe you could see this one as a bridge part. It's actually maybe not a pre-chorus, because the lyrics is also changed there from the other pre-choruses. So we can look at it as a bridge part there, and that's perhaps why the chords are changed there. So the C, G, G, E minor, and D. Sorry, D up here. Yeah. And after that comes another chorus, played in the same way for our 2 rounds, and then another verse times 2, pre-chorus, chorus, and a post-chorus after that. So yeah, there's actually nothing new to learn here. So as long as you play verses there, you're gonna play the G, C, D, and C, and with the chorus, you're gonna play the C, G, G, E minor, and D. And then you're gonna play the same there for this bridge parts. So that's pretty much it, and this song ends there with this post-chorus played in the same way as the chorus there. So yeah, Brightside here by the Lumineers. Good luck with this one. Pretty easy to handle, and yeah, just pretty much straightforward there. Good luck, and see you soon. Don't forget, play tuned.